Love is a guy that thinks he's flying, also known as a buster. Boy, you know you make me cute.
It ain't hard to tell. So I'm finna do a little vlog and get my dog ready because it's time for him to take a bath or whatever. So we're finna do that or whatever. So I bought him some soap. I went to go get my granny clippers, dog clippers. So I'm finna shave him first to see if he's gonna let me first, because I don't know, because he bites if you pick him up before. I'm ashy too. So let me see, so he won't get scared. Right there. Okay, I'm finna let him in. So I thought I was a dog barber today. Let me show you what I did to my dog. CJ. CJ, look, move. I ain't finished it because, you know, dang, you shaking. I just took him a bath and everything, but I didn't finish him.
Go rock a party in the B-girl stand. I rock on the floor, make the fellas wanna dance. I be the and it's so good. And if you understood,